Shugor Khlam jong nong san Hima.
Mitri ramba kajila Conrad sangma. Hagalai tarik jilio arajar arpuhenrio. Ula pentingna baka Sorkar kaya Peitngor habede kejingpang hagisnyang ka swine fever kabade kejingpang bayabit kabadang shulap baka don biang hagajila. Ulaong baka tenar badai kmi kadale ikisian jam badan kam kenang baka ni kejingpang kan sapriang keling. Kani kalajah kipor beladap ru bat ngidang yai Peitngor Halor kani bat ngila shimru mardor ikisian jam badan kam kadon kejing shimkya naga Sorkar bat kani kejing shimkya kaya ja naga por shakapor long Conrad.
It's fever, swine fever. Yeah, so basically this has been a problem in the past also, and we are monitoring the situation and we're taking immediate action on it. There are concerns, of course, and these concerns keep happening from time to time. But the department is taking all possible steps and measures to ensure that this does not spread in any large scale. And there are a few cases, but we will do our best to ensure that this does not spread throughout the state.
Thank you.